Hi, this is a brief explanation of the inversion method to ask yes-no questions in French. Let's take three simple sentences to illustrate the main possible cases. First one, tu as des amis, which means you have friends. Then we have il a des amis, he has friends. And the third one, Boris a des amis, Boris has friends. Okay, let's have a look at the first example. Tu as des amis becomes as-tu des amis? To change the sentence into a question, we're simply swapping the verb and the subject. We also have to add a dash between a and tu. Then we have il a des amis, which becomes a-t-il des amis? So again, we're swapping the verb and the subject, but because of the two vowels, we have to add a t in between to facilitate the pronunciation. For some reason, we also have to add two dashes before and after the t. And the third sentence. Boris a des amis. Boris a-t-il des amis? Okay, in this case, I'm basically duplicating the subject into its corresponding personal pronoun. I'm leaving the initial subject, Boris, in its place, and I'm using the personal pronoun il for the inversion process. Again, we have to add a t for the pronunciation, as explained before.
More examples!
Let's take three additional sentences to clarify the inversion process even more. Je suis ici becomes suis-je ici? Il peut sortir becomes peut-il sortir? And if we want to know if Joe is eating a pizza, we have to say Joe mange-t-il une pizza? Alright, that's it for today. You can check out the previous video where we've been talking about the three methods of asking yes-no questions, including the inversion one. Thanks for watching. À bientôt.